Hi guys, welcome back. Let's create this flashlight animation in PowerPoint, a slideshow editing program. You can also make moving elements for your slides in PowerPoint. So in this case we're going to make a text and then mask the text so that, there's this flashlight kind of light movement behind the text. So to do this, let's create the text first. Click on Insert, Shapes, Text Box, and then type, for example, light. And then you want to, let's say, increase the size to 300. That's too large. That will do actually. Centerize it, shape format, align center, and then align middle, just like this. And then you can even do some tweaks with the kerning. Or by heading over to very tight, shape format, align, and then align center, align middle, just like this. This is enough. So let's create let's color the text white first. No, not the box, the text white, just like this. Let's create a black background. Go to Insert, Shapes, click on the rectangle tool, and then let's say if you want to make it fit with the composition, make it black, remove the outlines, and then right click, send to back, and then select these two, shape format, merge shapes, and then you select combine. Actually, hold on. Yeah, combine, that will do. Combine is used so that this text cuts the rectangle, and then we can actually put back. No, not put back. Put black background. Go to Design, click on Format Background, make it black, just like this, and then let's create the flashlight look. But like don't make the background too black. This would do actually. The darkest will be fine. Let's create the flashlight animation. Create the flashlight kind of shape. We're going to be using this trapezoid, just like this, and then drag this one so that it looks like a flashlight, pretty much, just like so. Make it slightly larger, just like this, and then we're going to remove the outlines. Click on Shape Outline, click on No Outline, and then fill it with some, a shade of yellow, just like this one. Click on OK, and then decrease the upper side again by dragging this circle on top, and then rotate it 90 degrees. Then copy and paste this. Make sure that it's on the other side. So we want to rotate it 180 degrees, and then fill, no fill, and then select these two. Hold on, select these two, group it by holding the Control and the G keys. This is enough. Place it here, and then place it to the back of this masked rectangle. Right click, send to back. There you go. You want to extend it a bit so that there's enough space, just like this. And then we're going to bring this spinning effect, make it wider, and then place the midpoint of the trapezoid kind of shape to the middle part of the the dot. And then let's animate this. Animations, go on the spin. That will do, but let's do some tweaks with the animation. Click on the animation panel, and then go under it. Start with previous. Head over to Effect Options. Set the amount to 180 degrees. Hold on. Just like this. Enter. For smooth start, we're going to drag the slider so that it lies here pretty much, and then afterwards head over to timing, And then repeat it like until next click. And then you're done. Click on OK. Whoosh. Okay. If we hit F5, it will look like this pretty much. But it hasn't been reversed. So all we have to do now is to right click, effect options, and then click on auto reverse. This will allow the flashlight to, get reversed. And then let's, do some smoothness for the movement. Effect options, and then, do the same amount for the smooth end, just like this. Click on OK. Whoosh. Whoosh. Okay. Okay, if we hit F5, it will look like this. Pretty easy, eh? The flashlight kind of motion will not stop until the next slide is shown when we hit space. Let's add some circular elements so that it zooms out, and then it will be placed on the dot above the letter I. So to do this, insert, shapes, circle, and then hold the shift key just like this. When you're done, remove the outlines, no outlines, and then make the color similar to the color of the flashlight effect. And then we're going to add a new slide. Right click, new slide, and then click on this one, and then make it appear before this slide, and then afterwards you delete it just like this. And then we're going to fill the entire slide with this circle. Hold the shift key so that it's regular, just like this. And then once you're done, simply go to transition and then click on morph. And then click on the second slide and then click on morph. And then when we hit F5, there you go, there will be this yellow area, and then if we hit space, it will morph with the next slide. And yeah, now the dot above the letter I acts as the source of light, and then the flashlight kind of effect, or this flashlight motion will go in a pendulum kind of motion. Go to the left, go to the right, go to the right, and so on. Repeatedly until we hit space, which will lead us into the end of the presentation. That's how you can create this flashlight animation in PowerPoint, a slide designing program. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao!